everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's fascinating, complex, and perhaps a little controversial. The 6 key signs that a married woman might be in love with you. Now, love and emotions are never straightforward, and when it involves someone who's already married, things can get even more layered. So, whether you're trying to decode someone's actions or just curious about this dynamic, stick around. We'll explore the subtle yet telling signs of romantic feelings and what they could mean. Are you ready? Let's jump right into the first sign. 1. She seeks your attention constantly. One of the clearest indicators of romantic interest is when someone goes out of their way to gain your attention. Her actions. She might send you frequent texts, initiate conversations, or share updates about her day without any particular reason. What it means: this isn't just casual communication. It's her way of staying connected to you and ensuring she's on your mind. If you notice her consistently looking for ways to engage with you, it's a strong sign that she values your presence and wants you to notice her as well. 2. She opens up about personal issues. When a married woman starts confiding in you about her personal life, especially challenges in her marriage, it's a sign of emotional closeness. What she might share: discussions about her feelings, frustrations, or moments where she feels misunderstood by her spouse. Why it's significant: sharing personal struggles indicates a level of trust and intimacy that goes beyond casual friendship. This level of emotional vulnerability can be her way of building a deeper connection with you, often hinting at feelings she might not openly express. 3. She goes out of her way to be near you. People in love tend to gravitate toward those they're drawn to, even if they're not entirely aware of it. Her behavior: she may arrange her schedule to align with yours, find excuses to visit you, or appear in places she knows you frequent. Body language clues: watch for how often she positions herself close to you, maintains prolonged eye contact, or mirrors your movements. This physical proximity is a subtle yet powerful sign of attraction. It shows she feels comfortable and even energized in your presence, for she remembers the little things. Attention to detail is often a sign of deeper feelings. If she remembers small things you've said or done, it's likely she's paying more attention than usual. Examples: she might recall your favorite drink, a childhood story you shared, or even a passing comment you made about your day. Why it matters: this attention to detail signals that you occupy a special place in her thoughts. When someone prioritizes remembering the little things, it's because they genuinely care. And in this context, it could mean much more than casual admiration. 5. She displays subtle jealousy. Jealousy is a natural response when someone feels emotionally invested in another person. How it shows: she might ask questions about other women in your life, or subtly express discomfort when you talk about someone else. Possessive behavior: sometimes it's as subtle as a change in tone when she hears about your interactions with others. Jealousy, even when unspoken, reveals emotional attachment. If she's trying to hide it but it still shows, it's a clear sign her feelings run deeper than friendship. Before we move on to the final sign, it's important to approach this topic with sensitivity. Emotions are complicated, and when it involves someone who's married, it's essential to consider all aspects before making any assumptions or decisions. 6. She compliments you more than usual. When a married woman is in love, she might find herself admiring you in ways that go beyond casual compliments. The compliments: these might be about your appearance, personality, or even small things you do. The frequency: if her compliments feel more frequent or more personal, it's likely she's trying to express her admiration subtly. Compliments are often a safe way for someone to show their feelings without being too direct. If her words carry extra warmth or thoughtfulness, take note. Now that we've covered these 6 signs, what should you do if you recognize them in someone you know? Let's take a moment to discuss how to handle this situation with care and respect. How to navigate the situation, assess your feelings, Before anything else, reflect on how you feel about the situation. Are you reciprocating her emotions, or do you see her as just a friend? Set boundaries. If you don't share her feelings, it's crucial to establish clear and respectful boundaries. This will prevent misunderstandings and protect both of you from unnecessary hurt. Communicate honestly. If her feelings are affecting your dynamic, consider having a candid but gentle conversation. Expressing your thoughts openly can help clarify the situation. Remember, emotions are complex, and navigating them requires maturity, patience, and empathy. So, there you have it, the 6 signs that a married woman might be in love with you. From seeking your attention to displaying subtle jealousy, these behaviors can provide clues about her feelings. But as always, it's essential to approach these situations with understanding and integrity. Relationships are delicate, and respect should always be at the forefront of your actions. Thanks for tuning in to today's video. If you found this topic insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so you never miss another thought-provoking discussion here on Inner Wellness Us. Until next time, stay curious, stay compassionate, and keep seeking wisdom. See you in the next video.